Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, we will be making some gluten-free cookies for the entire family. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm adding is 1 cup of gluten-free rolled oats. Then I'll be adding half of a cup of almond flour. To that, I'll be adding 1/3 cups of chia and flax blend grounded, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt. I'm using Himalayan, but you can use sea salt as well. Guys, if you love what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. We have these wonderful recipes, and I'm making a small batch. This should give me about 12 cookies. I'm gonna add some cranberries, and this is 1/2 of a cup. And then some pecans. I'm just going to use my hands and just break them all up like that. Make sure your hands are clean, guys, especially with everything that's going on right now. Always wash your hands, especially when you are cooking. Okay, make this recipe your own. Add whatever you want to add, subtract whatever you want to subtract. You can use almonds, you can use pine nuts, whatever it is that you want to use, you can go ahead and do that. You can add coconut flakes to this. It's yours. Anyway, as you're doing this, make sure the oven is being preheated at 325 degrees. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1/4 cups of maple syrup. And guys, I use pure maple syrup. The only ingredients that should be in your maple syrup should say just maple syrup, okay? So pure maple syrup, not the pancake syrup. So just let's try to remember that. All right, let's just get our milk here. All right, I'm gonna pour this a little less. I will have the exact measurements for you guys, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes just so it could harden up a little bit. Okay, my healthy people, so this was in the refrigerator for approximately 10 minutes. Next thing that you're gonna need is cookie sheets. So I have my cookie sheet here. This is the one that I am using. I will leave a link to this that you can get at Amazon if you want. It's pretty much up to you. So I'm just gonna scoop this up with my ice cream scooper. Now these cookies are not gonna rise, so we're just gonna have to shape them later. So I'm just gonna scoop these out. I'm gonna show you. Take it like this and roll it into a ball. And I'm gonna do the rest of them, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to it when I come back. Okay guys, so I have 12 cookies here. Just gonna give them enough space. And then what you will do is you take your spoon and you flatten it out, and you have to shape these, give them the shape that you want them to have, because I said you could just damp your hands a little bit so it won't stick with just some water. Okay, flatten them out and just shape them out. Okay, just like that. Give it the shape that you want it to have. And this is fun to do with the kids too. The kids will enjoy doing this. So I'm gonna do this to the rest of them, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so here's my cookies. I flattened them out and shaped them out as well. Okay, because you have to do that. I'm gonna put these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. At the 15-minute mark, please check it. You know your oven better than I do. So I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, so 18 minutes in the oven at 325 degrees, and this is what our cookies look like. I've had them out for about 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna remove my cookies and put them on this plate right here. Okay guys, my cookies are done, and this is what they look like. They are absolutely delicious. They are crunchy, and they are also soft on the inside, as you may see. I'm gonna dig into these. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with someone that you think that would enjoy it, and say it with me, stay healthy.